Earning money for your words is as easy as spelling C-A-S-H. Cash? C-A-S-H? I don't know, I'm not a writer. But if you've ever helped a friend rewrite a caption or made someone's sales page actually convert for them after months of crickets, congrats, you've got a skill businesses are willing to pay $100 an hour and up for. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 high-paying writing services that you can offer without a website, without showing your face, and without building a social following whatsoever. And no, AI isn't replacing real writers. It's replacing boring ones. The writers who will thrive in the new era are the ones who are going to make their content feel human while using AI. My friend Tiana, for example, every script and every email she writes moves people to act because she knows how to write with intention. And the best part is you guys can do the same behind the scenes, earning real money for words that connect brands to their audiences. So let's dive into the 5 most in-demand writing services and how to start them all this week. First up is email marketing copy. Email has one of the highest ROIs in digital marketing, but most business owners send bland messages that get ignored or get sent to the spam. And that's where you come in. Writing emails that feel personal, build trust, and actually drive action. You'd be creating things like welcome sequences, launch emails, cart abandon flows, re-engagement campaigns, basically anything that helps a brand connect and convert through their inbox. Every single brand online with an email list needs this. Coaches, course creators, e-commerce brands, SaaS companies, you name it. I used to personally pay $1,200 for only 8 high-converting emails scheduled and done for me. As a copywriter, you can charge $100 to $300 per sequence, $50 to $150 per email, or $500 to $2,000 plus per month on retainers, depending on scope and client type. To get started, simply study emails that made you click and then reverse engineer them. Write mock sequences for brands or offers you already love, and then build a small portfolio that you can pitch to small businesses as a way to instantly boost their sales. While email builds the relationship, ads often spark the first impression. So learning digital ad copy is one of the most profitable writing side hustles in the game right now. For this, you're going to write hook-driven ad captions, A/B variations, punchy headlines, and maybe even short-form scripts for video ads. Yes, visuals grab attention, but the copy is what makes the sale. Great ad copy turns browsers into buyers and can make or break a campaign. And because your work is actually going to impact their revenue directly, you can charge $150 to $300 per ad set, $500 plus for full campaigns, and $1,000 a month or more for ongoing testing packages. For reference, I pay my own ads manager $1,200 a month because her copy skills are that good. To build this skill fast, head to the Facebook ads library, find top performing ads, and then just rewrite 3 alternate hooks or versions of them. Practice writing short, medium, and long form copy. Then pitch your strongest samples to a business you admire or post them on LinkedIn to get noticed. But to be honest, an ad is only the beginning. Once someone clicks into an ad, where the brand will send them matters even more. That's where landing page and website copy is going to come in, because great ad copy grabs attention, but great landing page copy turns that attention into true conversions. Now, let me be clear, you're not designing websites. You're just writing the words that convert on those web pages. Think about copy on the homepage, about page, sales pages, opt-ins, thank you pages, etc. Your job is to turn interest into action through strategic, emotional, and persuasive messaging. Because here's the truth, pretty websites do not sell, powerful words on those websites do. A $2,000 course will not move whatsoever if the copy is weak, but if you can nail the messaging, you can instantly boost your client's chances of closing each and every sale potential. And the best part is this is a service that all types of businesses need. Coaches, creators, product sellers, SaaS founders, everyone. You can charge $250 to $500 per page, $1,000 to $3,000 for full website copy, and $500 plus for one-page landing pages alone. Start by simply picking a brand you love or make one up and write copy for their homepage, their opt-in page, or a sales funnel. Show you understand flow, emotion, and CTA placement. Then drop those into a portfolio and start pitching. Now, once someone lands and connects with a brand, the next step is often content, and that's where script writing can come in. Whether it's a YouTube video, TikTok, webinar, or podcast, creators, coaches, and business owners need script scripts that sound natural, keep people engaged, and lead them towards a clear next step. These are cash-generating assets, and people right now are paying hundreds of dollars to have this done for them by writers just like you. So if you know how to write content that holds attention or drives action, this could be a goldmine side hustle. I've seen creators in my space pay $150 to $400 per YouTube script, $750 to $1,500 for longer webinars or VSLs, and over $1,000 for full course outlines that the creator just had to show up and record because you already wrote it for them. An easy way to start this is by choosing a creator you already follow, writing a sample script, or offering to restructure one of their existing videos to improve flow, retention, or clarity. If you do this well, it's the kind of service that they will keep coming back for every time they launch or create. So by the way, if any of you guys offer this service, I am currently in the market to find someone, so feel free to drop your name and your portfolio in the comments. And the best part about this is you do not have to be the one on camera whatsoever. You're just helping them say what they already wanted to say, but better. But with that said, great content doesn't just build trust, it also builds demand. And it builds businesses. And when that demand is there, creators and influencers want to monetize it. That's where ghostwriting digital products could come in. Think ebooks, mini courses, guides, and templates that sell while they sleep that you built. A lot of creators and entrepreneurs have brilliant ideas, but no time or writing ability to turn them into actual products. That's where you come in. You take their messy Google Docs or half-baked voice notes and turn them into polished ebooks, guides, workbooks, templates, or even mini courses they can sell on repeat. This is high value work. So you guys can charge anywhere from $300 to $2,000 plus per product depending on the scope. And if you can also write the sales page and the email sequence, you can easily tack on another $500 to $1,000 plus. Some writers even work out royalty deals. For example, one of my clients pays me 15% for all of her digital product sales because I built the funnel that's consistently converting for her. So now that you've got the 5 high-paying writing services in your toolkit, let's talk about actually getting the clients. Because you don't need to wait, you can literally start this week. Here's exactly where I would go if I were starting these ventures from scratch. Number 1 is Upwork. I would search for gigs that match my strengths. I would apply with quick custom messages focused on their needs directly. Something like, I'd love to help you humanize this script and bring more personality to your email flow. Here's a quick rewrite of one of your current emails. Number 2 is Fiverr. You're going to want to set up clear outcome-based offers like 3 email welcome sequence with CTAs, landing page copy with headline testing, 5 AI-generated scripts rewritten for tone and clarity. Make it easy for people to understand exactly what they're getting from you. Number 3 is LinkedIn. Set up your profile as a service provider, not a job seeker. Use your About section to explain how you help, post a couple of tips weekly, and leave thoughtful comments on posts from brands, coaches, and creators. That's how you spark organic conversations with the right future clients. Then there's, of course, number 4, local businesses and existing creators. Don't sleep on the real world that's right in front of you. Walk into your favorite coffee shop or yoga studio and say, hey, I loved your last Instagram post. Have you ever thought about turning that into a welcome email sequence? Or, I noticed your website doesn't match the vibe of your product. Want me to show you how your copy could bring in more sales? Most small business owners know their content or their website could be better. They just don't have the time or skills. So you can be the one who shows them what's possible. Also, keeping an eye on creators who are already posting but missing pieces like strong CTAs, email funnels, or optimized websites. Instead of cold pitching them, you could lead with something like, hey, I love what you're building, but I have a quick idea for how to turn this into an evergreen offer. Want me to send it your way? That one message could land your next $1,000 project or even turn into a long-term client. Finally, your last step is to build your portfolio. Even if it's just mock work, pick a few services that I covered in this video, create examples that show off your understanding of tone, emotion, and conversion, and use them to pitch. If you guys have ever wondered whether your writing skills are actually valuable, this video is your confirmation. You do not need to be on camera. You do not need a fancy degree. You just need the right offer framed the right way for the right person. So drop a comment below and tell me which writing gig you want me to go deeper into. I would love the opportunity to turn this into a mini series for you so you can start building your copywriting income ASAP. And if you want to learn 8 more side hustles that helped me make over $900 grand in just 3 years, click right here and I'll see you over there.